Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm gonna do a quick little review on these Kiss Eyelashes Couture that I just got. The reason why I'm giving these lashes a chance is because I'm really considering of getting eyelash extension, but the more I read about it is that you do have to take really good care of your eyelash extension. You do have to go back and get fills just like your nails, and I don't know if I'm ready for that type of a commitment. So I'm gonna take baby step. I'm gonna start wearing falsy lash for a couple weeks and just see if my eyes can handle it. And if it does, then maybe I'll explore and try a different brand. But I figure, why not give this brand a chance? I use their nails and they've never let me down. I asked a couple friends and they said they're actually pretty darn good. But again, just because it works for one person doesn't mean it's gonna work for you. So I'm gonna put it on, I'm gonna wear it, demo it, and I'll let you guys know if it's worth your money or not. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, there's one thing I forgot to mention. I just got a bunch of these stools in from Amazon. So I got one that's pink and they adjust up and down in height. I got them in this other color, which is turquoise. So help me out. I don't know which one I'm gonna keep. Do you guys think turquoise and a white makeup station and nail table looks better? Or should I just go for all white? Please help me out. I don't know which one I should keep. They're amazing stool. I've already demoed them for a week and they go up and down so smoothly. But I figure pink and white, it's always pretty, right? Help me out. Please, please, please. Which one should I keep for my makeup room? So now let's get started. I'm gonna take it out of the kit. We're gonna apply the glue on, and then I'm actually gonna size it and see if it fits my eyelashes. So let's see. So as you can see, it is kind of long. I'll probably have to trim it down a little bit to have it fit my eyes correctly, but it looks really pretty. Please tell me the truth if this looks crazy on me. So let's trim it down and then we'll see what it looks like. So here we go. I sized it down to fit my eyes and it looks like it's as close as I could get. I'm gonna apply the glue on. And the brush on this is actually pretty good. Okay guys, so that's with one on. I haven't curled it yet. The glue seems to apply on really easily. It looks really pretty in the box, but now that's on my eyes and how long they made the lashes, this is a little crazy. Every time I blink, I feel like there's something going like this on me. It actually doesn't feel as heavy as I thought when I was pulling out of the kit. But the lashes are extremely long. I don't know if I should trim it or it's just not fitting to my eyes correctly. I mean, what do you guys think? Honestly, from certain angle, it looks so beautiful, but in other angle, I look like a freaking porn star. Like, where am I going in the middle of the day with 3 kids with these lashes? Like, maybe I should have got another kit that looks a little bit more natural, but here's the most difficult part about this kit. It feels like it's heavy, but it's not. Once you put the glue on and you could get it to bond, it sits beautifully, but trying to get it to shape into your eye, it just kept trying to bounce off my eyelashes. It was really weird. I almost had to keep flickering it. You kind of have to take it out of the kit and bend it to get the shape into like more of an oval shape, or just not a shape that's in right now, because it's really hard once you apply it on your eyes. So as you can see, it sits on the eyelash really well. The glue is pretty good. I do like the glue for sure. If I apply a black eyeliner, I think it'll look a little bit more natural. I think my biggest issue is that it's just too long. So when I'm blinking, it just feels like boom, 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 something sitting on my eyes. You know what's weird? It's like in certain angle, it looks really pretty. And in certain angle, I seriously look like a freaking porn star. So I don't know. I'm gonna apply this set on and then let's see what it really looks like. I think my problem was I didn't trim it correctly, because this side, maybe because I had more time to bend it to shape my eyes, that now is looking a little bit better. But this side looks a little crazy. There's no way of avoiding it. This side looks crazy. And I have a dinner event tonight. Do I take it off? What do I do? Okay, so let's apply this side and maybe I could get a better read on it. Okay, you guys, so I have both on, and I think here's my biggest mistake. I cut off too much on this side. I think if I would have left it a little bit long on this side, it might look a little bit more natural. I don't know, I just took a picture of it and people love it. And then when I'm looking at myself in the mirror, I look crazy. What do you guys think? Is it just I don't know how to apply this on correctly? Or what? Because applying it was actually really easy. The band, you do need to work with it and just get it out of the box, get it moving a little bit, because it was just like, when I put it on, it just bounced right off. I had to do it 2-3 times. Then I finally dawned on me like, oh God, let's start bending it a little bit to shape it to my natural eyes. And once I did that, this one did apply on a lot easier than this one. The only thing is I think I need to trim some more, but if I trim too much at the end, it end up being too like a fan in your eyes. I'm gonna wear this all day. I'm gonna wear it to the event, and I'll come back at the end of the video and tell you guys what kind of struggle I ran into, or if they just sit on beautifully all day long. So it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna go to work, and at 5 o'clock we have a dinner function, and I should know by 10 o'clock tonight if this baby is gonna stay on or not. Hey guys, so it's about 9:30 and we're just about to head home, and I just wanted to just touch base and let you guys know about these lashes. I'm actually really shocked on how well they sat on. I don't know if it's the lash or the glue, but I swear to God, the glue, this is like after 9.5 hours and it's still sitting on really well. This is the only issue I have right here because I was laughing really hard, and I think the tear was just loosening up the glue. I had a really good time at this event. The only issue I would say is before you cut it, check it on your eyes a couple times, because I think I made a mistake of cutting it too short on this side. But I actually got a lot of people giving me compliment, which I don't know, they're just trying to be nice, because every time I look in the mirror, I seriously look like a performer or a porn star, because this is just all in your face. But in pictures, it honestly looks so beautiful. Again, very good product, not my style. I would like a little bit more natural, so I'm gonna go back and get a couple more kit and just keep wearing them throughout the week. So give it a try. It's $5. You can't go wrong. If you like dramatic look, go for it. And if not, go for a less dramatic look. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.